All right, y'all, welcome back to the channel. We are outside. Hold on. Got a car cracking V on the dyno right now. Well, we are officially pulling out the FA20 out of Natalie's drift car. We are starting the K-Series FRS build. Couple things that we're doing first: pulling the motor out, pulling the trans out. We are expecting a Caged Kits to arrive tomorrow from Caged Kits. If you guys have not heard from them, or of them, I'm sorry, it's cagedkits.org. They make all their cages by CAD design and 3D scanning. They fit absolutely tits. We've sold a couple kits already and had amazing feedback, so shout out to Caged Kits. They've actually been one of my partners on the remaining of 2023 season, as well for my 2024 season on my next pro car. It is another RX-7, which stay tuned for that one because we haven't posted much about it, as it's currently getting a couple race prep, couple things done. It's at the chassis work, getting a bunch of stuff done before we bring it back, fully stripped, getting the interior ready. We got a lot of stuff coming up to show you guys. If you've seen on one of my previous motors, we do have a new motor. It was on my shop tour and machine shop video. It is going to be a Dart 427, but anyways, we're not going to get sidetracked. Let's before we dive into the FRS stuff, let's see what we're doing here today. Let's see what we got going on. We got the trans out of the FRS already. Got a couple cool projects finalized here. We got the dyno going, so let's take a gander. Let's see what's going on. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe. Hit that button right there. I appreciate it. We've officially hit 15,000 subscribers, which honestly is wild, because at the beginning of the year, I was like, maybe we'll make a couple videos, and here we are. So let's do it. If you guys want to see any other stuff on the channel, any cool things you guys see around the shop, drift cars, drag cars, include them in the comments. We're trying to get some more engagement on the comment section, so let's do this. Let's get back to it. Work hard, not smart. We got the little air setup going on here on the cherry picker. Best investment of 2023, I tell you. Let me tell you. Oh god, got a bunch of stuff going on. All right, so we got the all-wheel drive Civic going. We got this new BRZ thing. We did a flex fuel kit on it. A couple other little goodies. I absolutely love the paint on this thing. It's pretty sweet. I actually wasn't a big fan of these, but they kind of look good. I know Nate Hamilton just actually got one and made it a full comp car, 2J. It's pretty sweet. What else do we got here? Oh, we got roll bar for Natalie's car. Shout out to Titan for that. TMS, Katie, good job. The motor, you guys already know about that. That's already done. We got another 2J here. Let's check out the ice. Let's check out the ice. Oof, ice baby. This is another GTE short block. I'm so sorry. This is a short block that I built for a customer of ours. We actually have the head over there. E36 turbo. If you saw it on one of my previous videos, this thing's done. Runs and drives, all taken care of, all ready for dyno. Super excited. This thing is built bottom end, single turbo, link ECU. It's a little, one of my other videos I said it was ugly, but it's what's inside that matters. But yeah, this thing, the best part about it is that it sounds like a stock car, which that's also one of my other favorite features. S13 LS that we're doing a T56 on. Actually, can't wait for that. T56. This thing is like the ultimate sleeper. Yeah, you wouldn't think that makes 600 horsepower if you saw it, but this thing makes 600. It's turbo, single turbo with one of the old school kits, bottom mount. It's pretty sweet. Absolutely love little sleepers. We got Johnny Tran's car. John Tran from Fast and Furious. Yes, Sirski. Evo is finally complete, ready for dyno. I'm super pumped about this one. There is so much history, and this one was just a super long road, man. Like, we've taken our sweet time on it. It has full paint job. It door jams the whole nine, new glass. Obviously, this is running one of our KP1000 packages. Super badass setup. So in one of my previous videos, I kind of showcase some of the fabrication on it. It's running a 6466 in the stock location, AC friendly manifold, which we also make in-house. It sounds amazing. Full fuel system, transmission package, you name it. Customer wanted a 900,000 horsepower. I almost dropped my phone. AC friendly street car. Yeah, he's got it. But let's move back over here. Oh, and yeah, shout out to Fitment Industries and Novia's Wheels. We picked them up as a partner for our 2024 season for our new car. We're super pumped to have them on board. These wheels are sick. I love the finish on them. My wheels on the RX-7 currently on the purple car are black, and I don't think I'm going to paint these because I'm absolutely in love with the color on this wheel. Let me see if I can. Can't really see, but yeah. They're badass. I can't wait to put them on. Shout out to Fitment Industries. But yeah, let's make that's junk going in the trash. Yeah, new paint, cage kits. Gonna do a whole bunch of different stuff back here. I'm not sure if I want to do Wise Fab in the rear. I'm not sure what kit I want to run in the rear yet. I don't know yet. I'm kind of playing it by ear. Chassis is absolutely, you know, not horrible for what we got it for. We actually got it for a really good price. That's junk. We're giving it to our buddy Marco for the low, for the free, just because he's a great guy, and I have no need for it because who the hell wants a FA motor? Yeah, dyno's jumping, doing pretty good over there. So we're gonna keep it moving and get some more content going. We do have the K-Series. So a little backstory on the K-Series. I decided to do just a head package, stock bottom end. That went out the window. I'm now doing forged bottom end, built head, obviously single turbo. All right, what's up, y'all? Day has come. We are throwing our cage kits. Nally's FRS. We got Big Dog Fellow in the house. We got Linville in the house. Valenti's leaking in the background in the house.
Those are $500 Toms, but I shit talked Valenti's for the last like 4 years, and now my Toms have condensation.
Whoa, B-roll. Damn, that sucks.
Fellow's trying to put the steering wheel back on so I can steer it to actually get it into the shop, and I don't know how this is gonna go.
How are you doing today, Fellow?
Alright, just gotta do one of these.
Yeah, just do one of those. We're good. Look at that thing. No freaking steering column freaking holding it up either. We're
Nothing.
good. You got this, honey?
Hopes and dreams.
All right, let's get it. Got a little Mustang on the dyno. We got some GTR stuff going on.
I'm gonna throw the e-brake down.
All right, well.
And we kind of just leave it where it's at right now.
Oh, I did it. Did it.
Alright, e-brake up.
Don't worry if you crash it.
Might have to straighten it a little bit.
Yeah, how's the no steering column?
That's not good.
All right, let's check out this cage kits we got. Hell yeah. Badass. So if you don't know, check them out. Cagekits.org. Now, here's a little more in detail of what comes in the box. We got all these nice little fancy brackets. Whatever this thing is.
Base plate.
Base plate. Yes, Sirski. Oops. Oh yeah, we got Fellow over here taking it apart. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Got the LS240 up here. We actually got a T56 for it. That's pretty cool. Got the tilt and release bearing on there. Clutch. We're actually waiting for a pilot bearing to finish this up, but we are waiting for that to be delivered from our local parts store. K-Series FRS, let's get it. That's pretty cool, laying stuff out. Phone ringing in the background, that's pretty cool. Fellow over here just like, yeah, man, we're just gonna put some pipes together and, you know, oh, it'll just, shout out to Cage Kids. All right, we we got this basically pretty much looking pretty solid with them fellow racing welds. Yes, sirski. We got the base plates pretty much going in here. Got that all grinded down. We got over there, you got a base plate right there. Yeah, let's get that some bitch in here. Yes, sirski. Dash is out. Yeah. All right, we're getting some progress up in here. Let's check it out. Oh yeah, baby. Got the base plates going. Look at them little pretty fellow racing welds. All right, let's keep moving. Got Georgie pulling in the RX-7 right now. Wow. I feel like I haven't seen this car in so long. And now we send her off to the Wizard of Oz. Get some goddamn paint done. Now, y'all know Nelly has the orange car. This one's red. And plot twist, it's not gonna be orange. You guys are gonna have to keep watching to find out what we do. Well, we're getting there. We're gonna, obviously you see the AC controls are still in there because we're gonna be retaining factory AC. The cage kits also comes with access for door cards, which that's gonna be pretty sick. And let's get her sent over. And our other FD is coming back to also get the cage started, so you know what that means. It's party time. We're gonna start our new chassis, finally. Yay. All right, well, that's it, that's all. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you've been following the channel for the last 4 or 6 videos, keep it up. Thank you very much for the endless support. I really appreciate it. And let's get back to business.